What's up guys, welcome to another video. So today we are at Area 51 Motocross, and for today's race, obviously it's Sunday. It's very loud out there. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but like I said, at Area 51 Motocross, I'm starting this video a bit late. I already did my first moto, and that was like the last moto, so obviously you can kind of tell it's the second rotation obviously, but anyways, yeah, it started out pretty good. I got a third place start. I was third in the whole shot, and then I was just chilling there for like maybe a lap or two. Actually no, maybe a lap, and then I got passed by one guy, and I was in fourth, and then there's 2 or 3 more guys, so I think I got 6th overall that race. The first moto was pretty good. In the morning it was snowing. The track was kind of messy and greasy, and yeah, the jump faces, some of them are still kind of sketchy, so it's, I don't know, I should have been jumping some more stuff. Other than that, it was a great race. I made some mistakes in the corners and some ruts, but it was, overall, I'll take it. Much better than last year. I mean, last year I couldn't even get like a top 10 or even close to it for some reason. I was kind of stuck in this weird place. I just couldn't even get close to top 10, but this year it seems to be running pretty smoothly right now. I'm getting consistent top 10s, and I just want to keep the ball rolling, you know, and hopefully second moto will be better, not better, but good as well, because first moto was also pretty good. Like I said, I got 6th, maybe 5th, 6th, I don't know. I'll take it, but yeah, we're just gonna wait for the next moto. These guys are in my shot, dude. Goggles? Goggles? That's fun. Oh, there you go. Seems like
That's greasy.
That's really fucking greasy.
Yeah, it's greasy. Greasy.
Alright guys, it's the next day. I didn't end this video or do like an outro to this video because when I got home I was pretty tired and I kind of just went to sleep. But anyways, just kind of quick recap on yesterday's race. It was a pretty good day. It was snowing for like the first half, but it got pretty good towards the end of the day. I wasn't jumping one jump double into like the valley or whatever, but because it was all kind of rutted out or anything, I was kind of being a pansy and not doing it. And if I was doing it, I probably wouldn't have gotten passed by a few other people for like that first moto. But anyways, it's whatever. I'll take a 6th place overall with anything, or 6th place in that moto for really over anything, I guess. I mean, it'd be nice to get a 1st place, but like I'll take it. Because I think, like I said in the beginning of my intro, I've been struggling last year to get at least a top 10. So I don't know why, but this year's going pretty good. So second moto, I got 4th place. Pretty good moto. I didn't get a good start like the first moto, because the first moto I got a 3rd place start. But then I just worked my way, chipped through the pack, and then I got into 4th place. So it's pretty cool. I'll take it. And the 6 and 4 got me a 4th overall for the day. So I'll take it. It's a really good day. Being consistent from last weekend at Pavilion. Pavilion got 7th overall. Now yesterday I got 4th overall, so pretty consistent. That's how I like to be. I hope we can keep the ball rolling, you know. Keep these good results coming in. So the better you do, the more confidence you get. And I just base this whole like riding on confidence. And when you have good confidence, that you can really do a lot of things on a dirt bike. So that's just how I think of it. But yeah, overall great day. 4th place, I'll take it any day. With the circumstances of how the track was. The track turned out sweet by the end of the day. But I wasn't even sure if I was going to race the races or the motos because the track was so not really great. But I stuck through it, and I got a 4th overall. So it's pretty cool. Pretty good solid day, and I'm glad we're all okay. We're all okay and not hurt in the hospital or anything. So alright, so with all that being said, we're going to wrap up the video right here. So if you enjoyed it, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Also, if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe with the post notifications turned on, so whenever I post a video, you get notified whenever I post a video and whatever we're up to. With all that being said, see you guys in the next video.